Yeah, absolutely. You don't have to go for a perfect defense from all your bases. You really only need one of your bases, in theory, to hold a super strong defense, and that can make the difference in the war. But CRONOS going in with what he absolutely loves to do, I've seen him do it many times, is using the lightning spells. Looking to take out this multi-target Inferno in the court, and even that ground expo. Nowadays, it takes so many lightning spells just to remove expos, scatter shots, things in that nature. Doesn't have any healers. Looking to come in with that Zap Alalo. And remember, the tunnel's on the complete opposite side of where we're sending these heroes now.
Yeah, but the good thing is I feel like the sweeper, which is important, which is behind the tunnel, is pointing towards the tunnel. So I feel like the Lalo from the top side might look good, but this is still like way too far ahead. We take a look at the hero dive right now, which is for this multi-fern tower on the right side. In addition to that, for the enemy king, the scatter shot should go down with that royal champion as well. And the question now is, can this queen get to the defending eagle as well? That would be a huge thing. So far, it feels like the push is pretty nice, but it's not.
Oh,
Where's the royal champion? Where's the royal champion going?
oh, she took out the scatter on the bottom side, but does pull out the CC. And we have headhunters and a lava hound. So he can lightning the headhunters and just ignore the lava hound, just throw it off a corner. But the queen, does she have too much health? There's the lightning. She looks to be, she'll pop this hound, and I guess that could be good to clear these pups here, though.
Yeah, now he's going from the complete opposite side of the town hall. He's relying on his blim to get that town hall down. There's the royal champion defending his base or her base and trying to go for as much damage on those hounds as possible. The first black mines are hitting, and now there is the blim.
Ooh,
and
no!
this blim needs to make it.
He lost like 2 headhunters with 1 spring trap, but hopefully the other headhunter can help take out the royal champ. The blip rages over the tower. Sweeper pushes him through, and he does. No,
Nado!
the tornado! No! Don't tell. Oh, it goes down. Just barely. He has a back-end balloons to pick off the air defense, but he got so many balloons left here.
What is that loon parade? There is so many loons. As you just said, the freeze on the backhand is protecting all of them against this wizard tower. And this is like, looks so easy. Lalo looks so easy if you watch it. But
Right?
try it on your own. It's
man.
like never as that. And now the invisibility spell to keep his loon alive as well. And this with like 40 seconds left is going to be an overkill. And actually, I think one of the first like Zap Lalo, Lightning Lalo attacks in this qualifier so far.
Yeah, we're seeing the beautiful use of the lightning spells coming in to take out the core of that base. And when you can clear a core, you can just move your way straight around. And CRONOS